Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all the participants. And today we are here to have a sage talk on how to grow your network in professional world. This program is specifically organized for the students of electrical and electronics engineering branch. And eminent speaker is Deepti KV, who is the senior content writer in DX Mind Innovation Labs Private Limited, Bangalore. Deepti is the proud alumni of SIRTS also. So we are so glad to have you here, Deepti. And before proceeding further, I would like to give the introduction that Deepti has been a 4 to 5 year experience in developing content for distinct requirements such as websites, catalog, SEO friendly blogs, and attention seeking social media posts. I have known Deepti. She used to be a very bright student during her time in SIRTS, and she had work experience in various companies as SEO analyst, as a content writer in various companies like Startup Machines, Bangalore, Mechanics Bangalore, then Brill Minds LLC Bangalore, then NSSR Digital Infotech Hyderabad, and senior content writer. She has worked as a DFI Matix Bangalore, and currently she is senior content writer at DX Innovation Private Limited. So Deepti, we are so glad to have you here. Kindly guide us students regarding building the vision network in this world. Thank you, Deepti, and we welcome you on behalf of SIRT Bhopal.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Well, I would thank you all to giving me this platform to interact you all after like such a long time. I am seeing you and can see some similar, like familiar names, Rahul sir, and also I'm so glad to be here. And then, yeah, this session is all about networking, how a networking can grow. Because right now, I guess what I have been through, I want like even students should not go through the same for what it's been. So when I was passed out, I was so uh, I was so I was not having any clue that where to start with, which company to select, or which stream to go. Like if I was not I was not much into. I was from electronic and communication, but I was not getting a proper approach for electronics and communication. Then whom to approach? That what are the other options? Like I was have hardly having some options who were guiding me for the same. Then but now for the students there are lot of options which they can go for. They
Deepti,
can,
sorry to disturb you.
yeah.
We cannot see you. Is your video on? I mean,
No, my video is off. That's why. That's what. Is it necessary to turn on video?
if you can
Sorry, but can I
for
keep my video
1 or 2
off?
minutes.
Okay, I'm being at home, so that's why I was keeping my video off. I'm so sorry.
Okay, okay, it's okay, okay, no issues.
That's fine, right? I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so the thing is, uh, so the thing is like students now, most of the people. One second. Yeah. So the things are like how to start with. For the students, there are major questions like how to get started with it, how to enter the professional world, or where to apply for jobs, which company to target, or like basically what we have in our mind is only MNCs can give us a brighter future. Only the top MNCs like Tata and Infosys and Wipro, only there we can find a better future. But it's not the fact. There are so multiple companies like a city like Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune. There are n number of companies which are actually not very well known, but are flourished enough and are well established, which can give you proper future. But the thing is how the students will get to know what are those companies because they are not so renowned. So then comes like people get to know with mutual connection, just the mutual connection. They know, okay, some of their cousin or some of their friend is working in that company, so we will also follow them and will go that to that company. But there are multiple options to enhance networking, which we get to know later on the stage of professional life. At the starting, hardly people use LinkedIn, hardly people go for networking. So this session is all about how you can enhance networking for your further career growth. So the as just Times of India, like I was going through some surveys, and Times of India has stated that at least 15 lakh people, I mean 15 lakh students are getting passed out per year in India, but hardly 2.5 lakh are getting their intended jobs. Rest of the engineers are basically searching for some or other thing like what to do. They're wasting their 1 or 2 year, then going for bank preparations, or then failing out from them, and then again approaching some like startups, and like just how not able to establish their career. So what they can do it, they can get for right networking. The main important point is they can start building their network right from here, and they can come into communication, come into with a network with people who are already working with the top MNCs, top companies, or any other field. Like if we talk about this software development, so software development is not just being C++ or Java or this and that, but there is much more. Like there are different type of developers. There are full stack, there are front end, back end developers. Then so many things have been included in that. But who will tell these students about all these opportunities? So they need a guide. They need a professional who has already been working for such kind of platform for such kind of niche, business niche since a long. But being like corona is increasing and things are going worse, like people are not able to come in contact with anyone, so here virtual communication is becoming much important. And the thing is now, even people are more, if you know, I don't know how many of you have heard about Clubhouse or some audio networking sites have come. um, Also in audio networking, we don't have to go for this video calls or something, or just like this Zoom. We only have got some links and we all got into this conversation. But now the thing is going up, like audio networking platforms are coming up with an option where you can join any club, any room. If you find it relevant to you, then you can just get into it. So this is being like the best way of networking these days. You can network with people whom you don't know, and just can go ahead with talking multiple people. You can talk to them, you can share your views, or you can find jobs, or you, if you want to just upscale your skills, you can find those kind of mentors also over there. Different gens of people you can find there. So what we are doing, my company, I'm in DX Mind, we have a sister company now, 99 Media Labs. So what we are doing there is we are developing an app where all the professionals, and that is basically we can say is audio LinkedIn profile, an audio LinkedIn app, where you can just create your profile and can get in conversation with multiple people, multiple professionals, not just in India, anywhere in the world. You can talk to them, you can ask them your questions. It's a communication based. You don't have to share your video, you don't have to share your pictures, nothing. Just go ahead and talk. If you find that is relevant, you can further enhance your networking within the app itself. So for now further, what the app is actually and how it can be beneficial for you. I mean, for anyone, either teachers, either even the institute. Suppose the institute want to connect with multiple students or aspirants who are just 12th pass out. They can also do with this platform. Suppose orientation or some kind of a session they want to keep, they can even keep with the help of these platforms as well. So I would like Mr. Sharat to take over the communication ahead from here. He will explain you how this platform can help you, help all the professionals, all the students, everyone to take their career ahead. Hello, Sharat.
Yeah, thank you, Deepthi. And many thanks, the ECE Department of SIRT Bhopal for this opportunity. So we both represent Hello Clubs, a product-oriented social audio platform. So Deepthi, if you could support me with the PPT, it will be appreciated.
Yeah, sure. 1 second, I will.
For the further talks. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically, so how many of you are aware of this Clubhouse? May I know that? Yeah, thank you, Deepthi. Could you go with the full screen? It's a slideshow view show.
Yeah, that's what I was not getting that. Okay. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Is it fine?
Yeah, all right. Thank you. Yeah. So I'm sure many of you might be aware of this, the ever booming app of the decade that is Clubhouse, right? So what they does is that they let people come and talk from any genre, from any part of the globe, uh, anywhere in the continent, right? So there what you find is that I'll better relate this with that. So you'll be easy to catch what we are coming up with. So Clubhouse is a social audio platform where people can come in and share their ideas, collaborate, network with many other people from right. So they are new genre of social media, which we can categorize as social audio platforms. So right now there are so many social audio platforms like Clubhouse. Like if you see, there is Spotify, there is Twitter rooms, there is even Facebook is coming up with this social audio chat rooms. So this is ever trending right now. So what the pain points people are facing with this Clubhouse and many other niche of this platform is that they are so generic, right? So if you go there and you can find people of any kind, uh, relevant people, irrelevant people, many you will find from there. So you can cherry pick which is your which are the people from the niche, and why it is you here you can uh, you are getting the opportunity to network with people with whom you can collaborate and take your future to the next forward, right? So uh, coming to Clubhouse, if you are a student or a professional looking for a career opportunity or something like that, Clubhouse is not your place. I'm sorry to say that, because you will find so many people there. Some may be able to help you, while others may not be. So it is not meant for networking. It's like when we compare Facebook with LinkedIn, you will be better able to find the difference, right? So Facebook is so generic, where LinkedIn is very niche to professionals. So our purpose is to be the LinkedIn of social audio network. So that's why Hello Club is. So if we see, we come with a tagline, the professional audio chat. So we are the LinkedIn of social audio chat. So I'll take you through the product overview. So you'll better understand how it's going to benefit your future, especially for students and professionals looking for career enhancements. Aditi, next slide. Aditi,
Yes,
hello.
yes. 1 second. Yeah,
Yeah.
1 second.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is a very basic brief about our mobile app Hello Club. So as I told, it's a professional social audio network. It is the LinkedIn of social audio. So it's basically designed for professionals, businesses, and brands. Wherein you will when you enter the app, you'll only find professionals and businesses, especially brands. So you don't have to search for which people you are into, or you don't need to spend so much of time researching where your niche lies in. So this is all for you, right? So our mission is to bring professionals and communities from all part of the globe. So that's where we lies in. So right now we are in very beta version. Our product is almost getting ready in the garage. So we will be soon coming up with the version. So the users will be soon able to download it from iOS and Android app. And right now, for the time being, we'll be running the beta version, and we have some strategically movements for that, which we'll see in the coming slides. Aditi, go ahead. Yeah. So if you ask about the app, these are the basic screens coming with the app. So the first one shows you the welcome screen where you can come in and you'll get a username where you can go for your desired username. And if it's available, you can proceed with that. So then you have to set up your profile picture, which you like, just as in LinkedIn, you can use a picture here. So the third image shows that which are your niche industry. So say you are a teacher, you can go for education industry. So say you are an app development expert, you can go for technology. say you are in mechanical engineer, you can go for that domain. Anything, any profession, you can match it with that. So that's it, all about that. So Diti, next slide.
Yeah, but here I would like to say something. Like how
Please.
we are designing this app is you will get connected to the precise person. Like we are here, you will get an opportunity to create your club, then your rooms. Like here, you will be selecting you are a startup or entrepreneur, or as Sharad said, like you can select very minor, like your domain or your interest with very narrow thing. Like you can narrow down your thing, you can just go for development, so you will be getting more suggestions and more people from the same domain. You don't have to go and search for the people who are into development. You will get automatically suggestions and you will get connected with the people who are into the same domain as you are.
Yeah, thanks for the ad. So we'll go for the next one. Yeah. So here, once you completed setting up your profile, so this is how it looks like. So the first slide shows your profile picture, including where you can add your designation, your
We are missing your voice, Sharad. We are not able to hear you.
is it audible?
Yes, it
Hello,
is audible.
hello. Can someone ping me if I'm audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So I'll go ahead. So once you completed setting up your profile, this is how it's look like, right? So you have your profile picture here. You can add your professional name. You can add your designation. You can have a link to your Twitter accounts, your Instagram, your LinkedIn account, all those accounts. So here, what's the difference is that in other social audio platform, they are only meant for social networking. That means they will not help you take to your LinkedIn accounts or somewhere like that. So where your profession grows, right? Your career grows. So here, what makes us stand apart is that we have a direct link to your LinkedIn account, so you can take the conversation to the next level. So that's you. That's all you find in the first picture. So the next picture is we have a unique, a unique, say IP or some kind of things. So where people can network each other, and within the app they can take the conversation to the next level. Like if you want to network with me, and you are a renowned person from the domain, so I want to have a business card. So within the app, while talking, there's an option called speed networking, where two people in a room can go to a separate room, and you can share your cards, take the contact details, email IDs, mobile number, whatever you can take from there, which will help you take the connection to the next level. So that's what you find in the second screen. Yeah. So in the third screen, it's all about how the other person's profile looks like. So if one person follow you, this option, you can go to their profile and follow them back. So that's about that. So Diti, next one. Yeah. So once you are all set and ready to go, this is how your dashboard looks like, the first image. So if you are a Clubhouse user, you might have seen that there's a portion called the hallway where all the talks happens, right? So you can see the rooms, you can see the people who are participating in the rooms, the speakers, whatever it may be, you can see there. So here we have a space called launch. So once you enter your launch, you can also call the dashboard. You'll be seeing, a quick view like this, where you can see the talks that's happening, the people participating in that, the current talks, that other talks which are happening. So first image, if you see, you can see the logo of Apple. So that means there's a brand consultation going on, right? So nowhere in the other social audio network you can find that. So here, what it sounds like that. Say you are a startup founder, you have a startup with you, and you want to network and grow that startup, right? So you can create a room for your startup where your potential clients will come, they'll pitch in you, and you can network with them, and you can give them consultation, take their input, whatever it may be, to take your startup grow. So that's what happening there. So trust me when I say this, nowhere you can find a brand uh, unique room for social audio network. That makes us stand out. So next one, the just the screen below that, you can see that there's a normal talks going on where professionals come in and talk, network each other. Yeah. So once you're in a room, you have different option. Like say, I'm from, the northern part, and I don't want to see rooms which are from the southern part because I don't know the language. So there's an option where if such talks are happening and it's been frequently shown to you, you have an option where you can hide the room and giving the reason why this chat is not of your thing. So there's option that you can choose the language is not my thing. Say it's a Tamil, and you can say that I'm having a Hindi base, so I don't want to listen to Tamil rooms. So you can go with that. So the next menu is that the share my room option. So whenever you're finding a potential talk or a professional talk going on, and you want to call your buddy to come and listen to that room, you can go with the share room option, and you can ping him on the app, or you can pass the link over other medium like WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever it may be. So that's about the second screen. Yeah. So the third room is that, uh, create a room option. So say you are a speaker and you have a big followers of professionals, you can start a room of your own. Not only you, anyone can start a room, but I'm saying for the as an example. So this is the option that shows that. Diti, next one.
Sharath, I would like to interrupt you here. Actually, we are
Sure.
running short of time. Just 4 minutes are left. So I would like you to tell this in very conclusion, like how this is a college, so how they can use it and how their students and professionals can use, just within 2-3 lines, if you can brief entirely. That will
Got
be
it. Got
great.
it. Yeah, since we are running out of time, I'll brief up the app. So this app, when it comes to networking and career enhancement, uh, professionals, students, anyone can come, and they'll find, just as in the LinkedIn, how people come and getting good opportunities. This is just the audio version of that, right? So you can come here, you can meet your mentors, you can meet professionals, CEO, CTO level people once the app got full fledged. So that's how this help you collaborate with the professions of your industry and grow your career in such a good way. So you can come in, you can uh, uh, chime into the rooms, you can talk real time with people, get their guidance, get their mentorship. So if you're a mentor, you can offer your guidance to other students, professionals from industry. That's how you grow your network, and it's all about networking. Yeah, that's the thing.
Okay. And how we are working on it is, as for every section, there will be a different club, like different categories. So for college as well, there will be different category. And we are trying to get all the businesses of this India, like right from the MNCs till startups, we are trying to get on this platform. If your students or even teachers, anyone is willing to onboard this platform, they are most welcome. They can talk to Mr. Vivek. So he will even let me know. We will be sending you an invite, because this is right now an invite only. This is a beta version, so we will be sending you an invite. So you people can, once this is live, you people can onboard and can get into, like, all the students and everyone can get into networking and can enhance, like, get connected with all those businesses which has been onboarded. And in future, even we are trying almost whatever we, almost like we have had a talk with investors, we had a talk with businesses, and they are ready to join in. So you can get a vast opportunity to get connected with everyone. In short, if I'll say, like Zoom, we are right now 29 people, just me and Sharad were talking. But if someone of you have to talk to me, then you have to find some network, like somewhere from my phone number, or on go to Facebook or something. But our app is like, directly, if we are talking right now, you want to get connected with me, you can go to the next room, or we will be having different rooms where you can have one-to-one talk with us. Not with us, I mean, who all is holding that room. If you are hosting a room, you can do that. And if you want to pitch in students over there, usually people will come, they will join whatever ongoing room, or if you have kept it public, anyone can, I or anyone from the world can join your room, can listen to. I'm even thankful.
All the best wishes to you and Sharad for your bright future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.